You can use silicone mat or backside of silicone mold. I use Limino UV resin, you can find link in description. Add a little bit of resin to silicone mat. I use yellow wood anemone and forget-me-not pressed flowers for this pendant. Place your flower on top of the resin. Add more resin for next flower petals. Cure under LED lamp for 60 seconds. Add thin layer of resin to cover all of the flowers. Carefully cover all of the flowers. Add more resin if needed. Cover all the flower petal edges with resin also. It makes pendant more durable and moisture does not get into the flowers. Remove bubbles from resin with lighter. Add pressed forget-me-not flowers. I pick and dry all of my flowers. If you want to learn how to dry and press your own flowers, then visit my channel for tutorials. Make sure that all the flowers are covered with resin before you use lighter to remove bubbles. Cure under LED lamp for 4 to 6 minutes, according to your UV resin instructions. Remove carefully from silicone mat. Clean silicone mat from uncured resin. Cure backside under LED lamp for 60 seconds. Let's attach jump ring to flower pendant. Side note, do not drill holes in pressed flowers as moisture can get into the flowers and ruin your jewelry. Cure under LED lamp for 60 seconds. Add resin to back side. And carefully cover back side with resin. Remove bubbles before curing under LED lamp. Cure under LED lamp for 4 to 6 minutes. Add one more layer of resin to front side to make your pendant more durable. Remove bubbles. Cure for 4 to 6 minutes. Attach necklace to pendant. And your necklace is done. Isn't it beautiful and unique? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.